Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying iOS 15 or later and installing Chrome. Note: Chrome for iOS cannot run desktop extensions directly. Once done, choose a workaround. Either use a third-party browser that supports extensions or prepare to access Chrome desktop remotely. Sign into your Google account and identify the exact extensions you need so you can install them on the compatible app or desktop. This first step saves time and prevents compatibility issues down the road. Now you install a browser that accepts Chrome extensions. Open its extension manager and search for your extensions. If using Kiwi, visit the Chrome Web Store and click Add. If using iCab, follow its extension import flow. Configure each extension's permissions and sign into any required account so features work as expected. If you opt for a remote desktop method instead, install the remote app, connect to your PC or Mac, and enable extensions in the desktop Chrome. This mirrors full desktop behavior on your iPhone. Finish by testing each extension on sites you'll use. Verify feature behavior and permissions. If something breaks, reboot the browser, clear its cache, and reinstall the extension. This often resolves conflicts. Make sure background permissions and content blockers aren't preventing the extension from running. If local support remains limited, switch to the remote desktop fallback to access full desktop Chrome and its extensions. One key tip: check logs or permission prompts immediately after install. They usually reveal the root cause of failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.